um, I have video, I believe, where I mentioned that I know what it's like to start from scratch. I know what it is like to have nothing at all. So say that for say this for the ones out there that is facing hard times. I know what it's like, guys. Throughout the time that I was facing my dilemma, I believe that I found the Most High. I got more closer to Him. Yeah, man. And I believe that that's one of the things that molded me or helped me to be the man that I am today. I chose, I decided to do the right thing. Trust me, doing the right thing is not easy. Some of the time, most of the time, the right thing sets you back, as I said from before, and doing the right thing can get you in a lot of trouble. But at the end of the day, it's good for just do right by yourself